Hey guys, Mark Deaton here with SnoopWire, here to show you your dashboard inside your members area. Once you log into SnoopWire, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can click on your stock scanner, you can click on your training modules, where we offer swing trading mastery in a 6-part video series, and you can click on your crypto scanner. We'll start with the stock scanner. Once you click on stock scanner, you'll have to click start scanner, and then you're presented with SnoopWire's list. Okay, this is a very long list. It goes down, down, down. There's probably about 500 or 1,000 stocks on this list. Completely irrelevant though, because all you're going to focus on is what's at the top. So today we're looking at Advanced Micro Devices, Tesla, Netflix, the Qs, Nvidia, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, to name a few. These stocks are all sorted according to cross-author and cross-platform corroboration, meaning these stocks are being talked about by the most people across the most platforms at any given moment, updated every 30 seconds. From here, you can do your research to see why these stocks made the top of the list. You can click on the company name and go begin to read the different chatter that is being pulled from all the different forums, message boards, Twitter accounts, stock twits, and more. You can go all the way down to the very bottom in this case and begin with the first initial morning chatter. You can begin to research these companies by clicking on their names one at a time. You can also click on the company symbol to see the history dashboard. The history dashboard will tell you and show you the kind of chatter that has been taking place over the last several days, and you can go in and look at the individual chatter. You can also hover over the industry icon to get a view of the industry chart. Your stocks are sorted again according to cross-platform and cross-author corroboration that comes from message boards, Twitter accounts, stock twits, etc. This way, only the companies with the most chatter and mentions across multiple platforms by multiple authors gets put to the top of the list. This is where we arrive at our weight. If we've got a 40, a 46, and a 1, that totals near 100. The fact that we have a weight of 328 tells us there's multiple authors across multiple platforms talking about the same stock, which puts AMD at the top of the list. Let's go back to our members area and take a look at our crypto scanner. Your crypto scanner is always humming in the background. When you click on crypto scanner, you're presented with a speedometer style scanner. This is your Bitcoin crypto predictor indicator. Don't let the simplicity of this indicator fool you. Our proprietary crypto predictor uses 4 artificial intelligence algorithmic prediction servers that filter into a single speedometer style indicator, giving you buy and sell signals that have averaged 93% accuracy since inception. Here's your crypto chart where all of your buy and sell signals are recorded. As you can see, we've recently had a nice sell signal here. There's been some small movement and activity down below, and we're currently traversing sideways with some strong sell signals, obviously due to some significant resistance above. Your crypto signal generator tracks BTC buy and sell pressure, total BTC volume, key altcoin volume, total crypto market cap, combined market exchange volume, 24th transactions on blockchain network, key technical indicators and moving averages, and much, much more to generate you signals that are extremely accurate. There's many other features in the SnoopWire scanner suite. We've got home, which is our dashboard, our scanner, our crypto predictor, our crypto chart. We've got a history dashboard where we can look at all of the mentions across time from our scanner. We've got some options for authors, an earnings calendar, a blacklist, and of course there's training. And wait till you see the kind of trades SnoopWire produces. Highlights from the last 10 days of trading include AMD for a 48% return on the out-of-the-money call option, an amazing long play on FireEye for 52% return on the out-of-the-money call option, as well as an earnings gap up on Autodesk pinpointed by SnoopWire at the top of the list for a whopping 103% return, and then another earnings play with Walmart for an 82% return that sat at the top of the SnoopWire list for 3 days prior to the move. So what do all these trades have in common? Very simple. They were all in the SnoopWire top 10. And let's not forget last week's Bitcoin trade where we got a strong sell signal at 7,400 and watched with a smile as Bitcoin sank to 6,000. With SnoopWire, you get it all in one easy-to-use platform. Stock, options, and Bitcoin. The most accurate and profitable alerts ever. You'll save time and money. And you'll never again run out of solid trading ideas. SnoopWire. Grab your license now before it's too late.